Hello there, my tulips. Today's channel is a super short review of the Tepenar large corded elastic adjustable dryer cap here. I really like it. So all it comes with is the hooded part that goes over your head and a little pack for you to put it in. This little hood cap is adjustable, side located drawstring, and a chin strap. Also, you guys, this little thing packs a little punch. It is known for its fast drying. This blow dryer Bonnet attached and extra large has many ventilation holes to dry your hair faster and more even heat distribution, which I like. This thing truly feels high quality. This soft Bonnet hair dryer attachment is made with waterproof material meant to stand the test of time and many drying conditioning sessions. Y'all, this is also perfect for traveling. Now, I know when I travel, I love to hit the beach, but comes with that, I need to wash my hair, and I typically do not like hotel hair dryers. So being able to take this Bonnet with me and just attach it to the hotel hair dryer is just a plus all the way for me. This large hooded dryer Bonnet hold any hairstyle, including hair curlers and rollers. Up to 39 inches long flexible hose is ideal for multitasking. The elastic and plastic hose collar makes it to fit any size handheld dryer, which I like. So you guys can pretty much see that here. There is a drawstring to the side, so once you attach it to your dryer, you can kind of pull it tight so that it will not come unraveled from your actual hair dryer. You guys, this also saves space. I used to have one of those hard hooded hair dryers, but y'all, it just took up so much space in my closet, and it was kind of ugly on the eye because I could not hide it. So this little hooded Bonnet hair dryer cap, y'all, you can throw it in your drawer. You can stash it and hide it away in your linen closet and not be seen. So I really like it. It is so easy to kind of fold back together and stick back in its little pouch here, which I really love because I feel like everything should have its place. Y'all, this was very affordable. I did purchase this online, Amazon specifically. This is a large, and I only paid about $9.99 for it. So y'all, definitely worth the purchase. You should truly consider it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Smooches.